Andrew here, and you're watching Matrix On Demand. Today we'll be talking about Realist, and more specifically, how we can search in Realist by street number. So the first thing I want to do is, once I open up the basic Matrix homepage, is I'm going to go to the tab titled Realist located at the top of the screen, and that's going to open up in its own browser tab. Once I have that open, the golden rule of any time you're running a search in Realist is to make sure you're in the correct county. So at the top left, my example today, I was going to be going into Indianapolis on Meridian Street, so Marion County is correct. Now that I verified the correct county, I go below and I click on My Search. And now what I want to do here is there's actually a field that I want to add to my general search form in order to basically find the homes or the properties that I'm looking for. So to do that, I go all the way to the bottom of the search form and click on Edit Attributes. Now the field I'm looking for right now is property house number. So alphabetically, I'm just going to scroll down, and there's what I'm looking for, property house number. I put a check mark next to it, and then at the bottom right, I select Apply. And now, just to make life easier, now that I've added it to my search form, property house number is located all the way at the very bottom of my screen. So if I want to move it up, because I plan on using this quite frequently, I'm going to just simply click and hold and drag it towards the top. Alright, so now what I'm going to do here is address, I'm actually going to use address for street name. So for address, I'm simply going to put in North Meridian. And then with my property house number, or instead of property house number, I just like to call it street number because that's basically what it is to the right of it is the verb is. And you'll notice that it's a hyperlink, meaning that I can manipulate that. So I'm going to update that from is to is between. And here I'll put in the blocks that I would like to search for. So say I want to look from the 1000 to the 1200 block. Then I go to the very bottom of my search form and click on the blue horizontal box titled Search. And that brings up all the properties on North Meridian Street in between 1000 and 1200. Now if you plan on using this function frequently in Realist, do yourself a favor and close out these fields here. Just go to the top right, clear values, and then go up directly towards the top there. There's about 5 graphics, and the center graphic is a disk. Click on that, save your search. We'll just call this street number. And now from now on, every time that I open Realist, I have the ability to open up that search. Thanks for watching, and of course, if you ever have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us at the help desk.